Okay, so basically what I just finished up doing was transferring these zucchinis, and they were in 4-inch pots, and they were getting kind of overgrown with weeds, so we just pull them out, weed them, and break up the roots a little bit, and then transfer it to a 1-gallon pot, and water them, and that's pretty much it.
Today we're in our squash patch, and I want to talk a little bit about what we have going on with our setup here. So squash, as you may know if you've grown it before, tends to get really big and spread out, but it starts out as a little baby. So we've got pretty small plants here, and as a result, when we planted them out, there was a lot of bare soil exposed, and we want to reduce exposure of bare soil to the elements. We want to cover the ground as much as possible, and so we've chosen this straw mulch. Before we put down the straw, our awesome student workers set up this drip tape, and we're running this T-tape under the straw. We'll add water below the mulch, and then the mulch will prevent that water from evaporating from the surface, and it'll keep the water in the soil and then available to the plant.
Hi, my name is Elif. I use they, them pronouns, and I'm one of the student managers here at the Cascos Field site. And today we are doing a mixed block plant out, which means we're planting a whole block of the field with mixed crops. So we're planting some broccoli and flowers and herbs. And yeah, so right now Daryl is setting up all the students on the transplanter, and they are learning how to run that, and that'll make our plant out faster and more efficient.
So the way that we make these is we grab some masa dough and we lay it out on rehydrated corn husks. We fill it with the chicken tinga filling, fold it up, and we steam them for about 55 minutes to an hour, and then we serve them to you.
We are currently working on some dressings for the tamales. I'm currently working on an apricot salsa, and we're going to be using fresh spring onions as well as citrus that we gathered from the Chadwick Garden on campus. Darya is working on a chimichurri with some super fresh herbs that our boss picked up from the farmer's market. And